Hey everyone, Amtrak and 26 Griffin here, and we got Amtrak Lakeshore 48. Was one of our favorite heritage units. 108, close to like 1204.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 280.0, track 2.
There he is.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 334.0, track 2. CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 280.0, track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. 8 end of transmission. Track train 48, 108, no defects. Kirksville. Got a clear from 78 Texas. CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 345.0, track 1. No defects. Total axle 410, end of transmission.
There he goes.